Hello everyone, let's dive into the recent upswing in the British pound and what's driving this exciting rally. The GBPINR pair hit a record high of 115.79 yesterday, following the British pound's multi-year peak against the US dollar at 1.3593 last Friday. So what's behind this strong rally? First, optimism around the new US-UK trade deal has boosted market confidence in the pound. At the same time, the US dollar index is weakening due to fiscal concerns and economic uncertainty, making the pound more attractive globally, including against the Indian rupee. Secondly, the UK retail activity surprised on the upside in April, with core sales up 1.3% month-on-month and 5.3% year-on-year. This strong consumer spending highlights a resilient UK economy, further supporting the pound's strength. The IMF has also upgraded its UK growth forecast to 1.2% for 2025, reflecting growing optimism about recovery. The UK economy started the year strong too, growing 0.7% in Q1, the fastest pace since early 24. Inflation remains high at 3.5%, suggesting the Bank of England may keep interest rates steady for now, which keeps the pound attractive to investors. For Indian businesses, the rising GBPINR means imports from the UK like machinery, chemicals and consulting services will become more expensive. Exporters, however, stand to gain with a higher GBPINR spot near an all-time high and a 2% annualized premium. Given these dynamic and global uncertainty, it's a smart move for companies to monitor exchange rates closely and consider locking in favorable rates when possible. Thank you so much, everyone. Keep following for more such advices and updates.